Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show how to scale up any video footage or image in After Effects using an amazing plugin called Scale Up. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so right now I'm in After Effects, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a new composition. Name this comp, and then set the resolution of this composition to Full HD. After that, import the video footage into After Effects and add it to the timeline. As you can see, the video footage resolution is very small as compared to our composition, and if it's scaled up this video directly, so it will look blurry. So duplicate the layer, turn off the top layer, then select the bottom one and set its scale back to 100%. Next, go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for the Scale Up effect and apply it to this video. Then go to the Settings panel and change the scale value to 500 to scale up the video. Now you can see the difference between both images. And that's the magic of the Scale Up plugin. It gives fantastic results, as you can see here. I added plugin link in the description below. Hope you enjoy this mini tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.